Startups, and startups. India has about 50,000 startups in 2018. Wait, what? Well, India is becoming the world's fastest growing startup ecosystem. A lot of startups in India have entered in the industry either unearthing an entirely new market or through gaps in existing market or product lines. Let's get into some details that may fascinate you about startups. Firstly, why are startups so popular? Startups allow their founders to make their mark on history and be remembered for something great. They boost the economic growth of a country as well as increase employment opportunities, which is why many nations promote and develop incentive schemes to encourage entrepreneurship. Secondly, why startups are important for economic growth of a nation. There is no doubt that startups are important for economic growth of a nation. One of the main advantages of startups is that it creates new jobs, increase in GDP. Global data shows that startups are creating more jobs in our nation than the large companies or enterprises. As of now, many of the startups have introduced latest technologies like Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, robotics, etc. Why do startups succeed? Getting things done in a quick manner is one of the main reasons why startups are able to reach their goals and milestones. It makes a difference when a startup is able to launch on time or when it is able to move faster than the competitor. What fascinates people to start their own business? Number 1, income potential. When you start your own business, you have the opportunity to start an unlimited income based on your own efforts and the success or failure of the enterprise. Number 2, pursuing a passion. Number 3, a good idea. Number 4, a new lifestyle. And number 5, self-expression. Is it good to invest in startups? Huge returns are one of the core reasons why you should invest in the startups. Besides the returns, there are various other reasons for initiating the investment. Thoughtful decisions of investing in the startup can be hugely beneficial as the returns are higher than other types of investments. Why owning a business is a good idea? Owning a small business gives you certain lifestyle advantages because you are in charge. You decide when and where you want to work. In spite of high financial risk, running your own business gives you a chance to make more money than if you were employed by someone else. Basically, you benefit from your own hard work. Let's look into some disadvantages of small business ownership. Number 1, financial risk. The financial resources needed to start and grow a business can be extensive. Number 2, stress. The entire business works under you and you need to be responsible for it. Number 3, time commitment. You need to schedule your works without your business being affected. Number 4, undesirable duty. And lastly, which are the most valuable startups in India according to 2020 analysis? Here we go. Ola Cabs, Byju's, Swiggy, Udaan, Zomato, Policy Bazaar, Lenskart, Delivery, Big Basket, InMobi, Dream11. These are the few startups that made a huge success in the market. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope this information was helpful to you.